Wind the Tappex insert onto the threaded tip of the production driver, just enough to prevent cross-threading. Line the insert up with the top of the pilot hole and the parent material, and with light downward pressure, actuate the screwdriver. A correctly set up Tappex ElecArm is designed to ensure the insert is square with the pilot hole. With a little downward pressure, the Tappex self-tapping insert will cut its way into the workpiece until fully installed. As the nose of the production driver comes in contact with the surface of the parent material, the torque will climb rapidly until the preset level is detected and the electric motor automatically reverses whilst the operator continues to depress the trigger. The spigot on the nose of the production driver controls the depth of installation. The loss motion device in the Tappex production driver will prevent the friction lock created against the end of the insert from backing the insert out.